Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Kenzie Wiberg, and I thank you all for joining me this evening. I feel the need to ask you all a few questions. No need to respond, just think about your answers. Now, how did you guys grow up? How are your relationships with your parents? Did you feel that you were not taken seriously? Well, children across the world might feel similar depending on your answer. A modernized parenting technique has risen to popularity. That is gentle parenting. How children behave may reflect on those who parent them, such as lashing out, being disrespectful, and so on. To prevent this, gentle parenting mends behavioral issues in children, such as gaining parental respect, child emotional awareness, and secure attachment. Now, first, let's discuss how gentle parenting improves a child's self-awareness. According to the Cleveland Health Clinic, a child will be able to understand why and how they are feeling the way that they are feeling through gentle parenting. Many parents lose their temper with their children, and this causes a child to feel dismissed. And in doing so, they will not be able to feel their emotions, and they will not be able to further process them either. Now, if a softer approach is used, such as gentle parenting, the child can take their time to really feel these emotions, and it will provide them with the ability to not suppress their feelings. Parents have a duty to be patient and empathetic towards their children when they are expressing their emotions, as it will provide and prevent future confusion and frustration. I have two examples to show you. For one, I want you to see the difference between this picture of a parent and a child. Now, what do you see? You see a parent truly being empathetic towards their child. For all we know, they could be talking about anything, but in this case, you can see that the parent is being empathetic, is making eye contact, and the child is comfortable. The child is faced towards the parent. Let's compare this to an example of aggressive parenting. You see the child facing away from the parent, not showing their face, and the parent is overbearing. This causes stress and strain. Now, another reason as to why gentle parenting is optimal is due to the fact that children will gain secure attachment with their parents. Now, News and Health declares that 4 out of 10 children will resist their parents if they are being dismissed. Now, this is caused with that lack of secure attachment, and children will begin to associate their parents with being dismissed. Gentle parenting will also allow the children to be more comfortable about speaking about difficult topics such as depression and, eventually when they get older, financial abilities. They will want help. They will not be against finding help. There is a big misconception about gentle parenting that will increase the risk of severe attachment issues, but that's just not the case. Parents who set a clear boundary about when they are in need, that they can ask for help. This will allow the bond between the parent and the child to soar and build a secure attachment for the child. Now, finally, I want to discuss how gentle parenting will reinforce respect amongst the parents. Now, according to the Washington Post, Mary Beth Kahan refutes this popular misjudgment that with gentle parenting, there's a lack of respect from the children towards the parents. And people and children who were gentle parented, they will be more respectful and receptive to their parents and peers. Being kind to everyone, if that is an expectation, and toxicity from the household is removed from the child's beginning of life, these children will lack in disrespect. Disrespect is taught. Hate is taught. Therefore, teaching your children the importance and portraying the importance of being patient and kind will enhance the child's ability to portray that to others and to even the parents themselves. It's almost like monkey see, monkey do, if you know what I mean. There is, when the child visualizes it, they're going to enact that on others because that's all they know. Respect is earned using gentle parenting. However, disrespect is taught without it. And now, with all of that being said, gentle parenting protects the children and the parents through obtaining respect, reforming parent-child bonds, and allowing the child to gain secure emotional attachment. Now think about, how do you want your relationship with your child, with your future child or current children to look? And how do you want them to grow up? Truly do think about it. And I hope you use that to your advantage. Thank you.